Scientific Literature versus Evolution. 10. Quote, Microevolution is probabilistically realistic. Macroevolution, megaevolution, is not, and this is documented empirically. Dr. Brown and Dr. Hullender. In this video, we provide additional quotes and discuss concepts from the following scientific paper. Neo-Darwinism Must Mutate to Survive. Olen Brown, David Hullender, Progress in Biophysics and Molecular Biology, Hullender 72, 2022, pages 24 to 38. Evolution believers believe that naturalistic mega-evolution has been proved to be true, and that microevolution plus time gives us mega-evolution. However, there are many scientific papers that show that that is not the case. We have discussed several of these in our previous videos. Every one of our key conclusions, in our various videos, about the falsification of Neo-Darwinism for mega-evolution is now being presented by scientists and discussed in the scientific literature. Note, we provide quotes from scientists who, as far as we know, do believe in evolution. However, their research confirms that the core tenets of Neo-Darwinism have been falsified for any level above adaptation of a species within a genus or family. This means that random chance and natural selection cannot create the entire biosphere, and neither can any of the mechanisms in the modern synthesis or the extended synthesis. So, naturalistic mega-evolution is false. It is a car with no engine and no wheels. Quote, Paul Davies has lectured about physics in relation to biological evolution and clearly provides evidence that survival of the fittest does not, alone, explain biological complexity. Quote, A reaction essential to life, peptide bond formation in an aqueous environment, is so unfavorable as to require more than 2 billion years for one turnover, can occur in a millisecond with an enzyme while maintaining exquisite specificity. Rodnina et al., 2006. Quote, Replicating the DNA, no matter how precisely, specifically, and extensively it is done, is not on the road to life if the information it carries cannot direct machinery that is already available. It is a single molecule in a sea of uncontrolled hostility, not a warm little pond. Quote, Processes that are troublesome, origination of information, design that is only apparent not real, change that favors complexification, and actions that seem purposeful? Quote, Is it scientific to believe in dark matter, dark energy, entanglement with spooky, Einstein's word choice action at a distance, a universe that is expanding and accelerating after approximately 14 billion years, and things that can be everywhere or nowhere until observed? My comment. Given the acceptance of such unexpected and out-of-the-ordinary things above, there are no rational grounds to dogmatically reject the existence of God as mind that created physical reality. Quote, Microevolution is probabilistically realistic. Macroevolution, megaevolution, is not, and this is documented empirically. My comment. This is consistent with what we have stated in several of our videos. Random chance and natural selection do work for microevolution, adaptation of species inside a genus or family. However, they do not have the ability to create higher taxa, kingdom, phylum, class, order, from lower species. So they do not work for mega-evolution, single-cell to human evolution. Different paper. Scientist quote, Darwinian evolution has become dogma. Olen Brown, David Hullender, in Progress in Biophysics and Molecular Biology, 186, 2023, pages 53 to 56. Summary. These quotations from the first scientific paper, listed above, are consistent with what we have said in several videos. Neo-Darwinism, random chance and natural selection, has been falsified for anything more than microevolution, adaptation of a species within a genus or family. This means that random chance and natural selection cannot create the entire biosphere, and neither can any of the mechanisms in the modern synthesis or the extended synthesis. So, naturalistic mega-evolution is false. It is a car with no engine and no wheels. Thanks to Dr. von Mancha for bringing this paper to our attention. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.